Okay, lumabas na kami sa aming Airbnb. We're going to Osaka. Ready ng luggage namin and we're going to book. Lumabas kami ng hotel kasi, ng Airbnb kasi kailangan 11 na bakante na namin ng ang room. So, na kami nagstay. Tapos, dito kami nagtapon ng basura. May kukuha dito ng basura later. Anak, baka gumulong ka. Tapos doon ka na damputin sa kalsada. Tumayo ka doon ka sa gilid. Tumayo ka doon. Dito kami bumili sa supermarket pala to. May basket. Supermarket. Tanda na, nagtatrabaho pa. Mga senior dito nagtatrabaho pa. I'm taking a video of you.
You're vlogging, remember?
I'm not vlogging. This is where we stayed. Sa 8th floor doon. Sa Masikip, the 8th floor.
On the second highest, right?
Yeah. We didn't go to the rooftop. Sabi, kita daw ang Mount Fuji doon. Yung bus, yan yung bus. Shinjuku Station. Mami, may bus, Shinjuku Station. Kabila, 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Not really. You're...
Record. Nandito na kami sa
Hi.
taxi.
I'm laying down at the back because it's cold.
Yeah.
My purple.
Is it cold? Huh?
Meh. So-and-so.
Okay naman nandito kami sa malaki, no? Anong sasakyan to? Hindi tayo nakapag-gym.
Di pa ba enough yung mga kumbaga, as long as hindi siya gagawa ng mga kabalbalan.
Diba, parang wala naman ganong hindi naman ganon.
Ay, hindi nga.
Tapos, ganda ulit, pababa na. Nabako pa ulit. Tapos naging sira.
Why? Parang parang pala Melbourne na natin.
Oo.
Daddy is telling a story about a comedy film.
Tiffany and Company. Ay, sayang.
Hindi ko kwento sa iyo kasi
Bababa sana kita rito kaso nakalagpas na tayo.
alam mo gusto ko magkaroon ng Tiffany na.
Nandito na tayo sa
Tawag dito. Mamaya ko
Business
ikukwento
district
sa'yo.
yata
Kasi
ito.
tungkol sa sasakyan na ganito.
What?
Tungkol sa ganitong sasakyan, yung kwento ni Daddy E. So mamaya ako ikukwento pagbaba. Kasi maintindihan ako nung nagmamaneho. O gusto mo ba ikwento ko sa Tagalog?
Ito, punta na kami ng Tokyo Station. Pasakay kami sa Shinkansen, the bullet train. Yay!
Where can you go?
Ha?
Where can you go?
Bullet train. Bullet train. Aray ko. Sanda mo si Mami, baka maano tayo. Sabi sa'yo, sundan mo na, huwag ka nang dumikit sa akin.
Sakto pala.
Yun nga.
Ha?
Oo. So, anong gagawin mo dyan? Kukunin mo lang yung ano?
Lagi ang ticket na. Kailangan lang natin. Sophie, baka bumagsak ka. Ayan, Shinkansen natin. Ito yung train eh, Nozomi.
Oh.
Nozomi. Shin Osaka. To Shin Osaka.
Okay.
So, kasi mga pang park tayo.
Anong kailangan natin hanapin? Shin Osaka. Ayan.
Bababa tayo sa Shin Osaka.
Okay.
Kailangan lang natin alamin kung nasan yung Nozomi. Yung track para alam natin na doon tayo mag-ano.
Oh, sige. Mamaya na yan, anak. We will move. Lagay mo muna yun doon.
Shinagawa, Shin Yokohama, Nagoya, Kyoto, and Shin Osaka terminals.
Shin Osaka. Dito kami sa seat number 5.
Lalagyan ng pagkain.
Oh. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Seated. Our luggages are there.
You can give it on. Okay.
Can be reclined. Then this is
I'm sorry. I
a tray. It's allowed to eat here. Sure. This is nice.
Oh, yeah. So, that's it.
See you later.
It's a 3-inch ball. Wrap your nose and rub it on the camera. Really? Mas po na replication ng I like fish with the music sound. 50 pesos po ang ring. I don't get I want to make this one. I 常的にやるのがいいです。日常会話が成り立たへん人がやる。
Ito na yung malayo. Nagoya.
Pag hindi ka nagpapasok sa perfection na. Yan.
Tatry ko itong cherry tomato. Gokoku tomato. Ayan. Pinili namin kanina. Try. Hugasan ko. Sarap. Fresh na fresh. Isa pa. Nalutong. The best. Ito rin kita bukas. Sarap. Mabamatay. Mga pinagbibili namin kayo na. May milk pa. Daming cheese. Kuya. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express bound to Shin Osaka. We will be stopping at Kyoto Station before arriving at Shin Osaka Terminal.
まもなく京都です。14番線に到着、お出口は右側です。お忘れ物はございませんか。岩井と7の上、周りをお確かめください。またお乗りはしっかりご注意ください。Please make a restop at Kyoto Station. Otherwise, on the left side of the open. Please watch your step when you stop the train. We will depart shortly after arriving at Kyoto. So please be ready to go for the train stop.
'Yun yung una ng Bullet Train. We are here at Shinosaka.
Halfway through to Dr. Kila, dun sa rin.
Okay.
Papuntang Nampa.
Okay, dito na kami sumakay. Let it go.
Yeah. Can I try? Alam mo ng ano na. Still.
Dried sweet potato.
I'm so hungry.
Gusto mo yung dried sweet potato?
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Or this one.
I want to try that.
Ano mo may honey?
Medyo haro pa magda. Yung una?
Yun na lang, yun na yan.
Umihan.
Can we try the one with honey?
Try it, try it. I like it. I like it.
The one with honey, one. About tayo pupunta. Yan, red, sundan natin. Okay, let's go. We will follow the red line. Why are you fighting with your dad?
Back.
Okay, go. Eh, hahanapin namin yung way papunta sa Airbnb. Dadaan kami sa subway kasi maulan daw. How to go?
Subway to, ano, yan, dyan tayo mag-exit. Pero
Uy.
mag-toilet muna tayo. Toilet.
Nakita ko yung toilet pag ano, no, doon. Ayun. Ayun, no? Yan dyan, Dunkin. Yes. Oh, ano gagawin ko?
An urchin.
Kaya nga, oh, toilet daw siya.
Parang,
Hinaram niyo pa ako dito. Let's go. Who's the gear? Wow. Speed. What? Well, toilet dito. Hindi na. Meron ako isa pa na ano. Wait, I will give you the GoPro. Wait. Ha? Ano gagawin ko? Gusto mo tumingin ako? Helicopter. Anong tinitinda niyan? Ay, ano ko? Candy, so.
Yan.
Wow, kawaii. Parang baka mahilo ang sa'yo, ha? Para tayo nasa Takashima yun. Donut waffle. What do you want? Right, sweet potato. Parang ang sarap nun. Dried sweet potato. May hilo yung nanonood sa'yo, ano?
try. Get your mama.
Okay lang.
Kasi,
Halika, let's try. Look on the side. Small one. Honey potato. Or this one. You have this. You have to try this one.
lahat.
Can you try? Oh.
No honey, no sugar.
Try.
Dry.
Expensive. Ayun ba yun?
Nice.
Thank you.
What is wrong with honey?
Hindi ko na.
Yun na lang, yung may honey.
Yung may honey.
Can you try the one with honey? Kamawas na kayo. Gusto mo?
Kaya it's nice.
Kung gusto mo.
Mahal ah.
Yung may hangin.
Sakit.
Yeah. The one with honey, one. Can I pay by card? Card ko, okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Ah.
Aking gamit mo yung
Japan yun.
Ano?
Thank you.
Let's go. Nabudol tayo doon, mami. Kamote Q lang yun eh. Kamote Q.
right ang tunat, di ba?
Ma-on-drive ako. Oo, yung ano. Ay, hindi ka pa nakakabili nun. Baka may bilihan ng tinapay, mami. O, ito, oh, Hendin. Haba ng pila sa Hendin, no? Baka worth it yan, kaya pinipilaan. Hindi ka na dito. Ay, tinapay. Nasa bake bakery. Okay. Yes, butter sand. Ang mamahal ng bilihin, ha? Palpurista, oh. Kami, Mr. Donut. No, Mr. Donut. Ano? Yung pa ako kasi, iwasan mo. Mr. Donut, mami, munchkins. Souvenirs. Parang tayo bibili niyan. Oh. Ayun yung ikat din eh. Ano may squid? Squid. Ayan oh. Squid. Sea squid cracker. Ito, ang mahal eh. Nakali ka na. Ang mahal nung ano, si squid. Nawala na yung sign. Dali, tignan natin yung ano. Oh, may mga art installation dito. Papunta kami sa Airbnb. Oh, maganda oh. Di ba? Yung lagi ng body natin. Ito. Fuji pa to. Asan na yung ano?
Take a picture
Asan na yung okap?
in the middle.
Kita, kung kaliwa o kanan. Check mo.
Ay, ayun, oh, kat, ayun. Ha? Picture? Ay,
Extend.
okay, continuation ng aming paghahanap. Ayun, oh, kat, Mami. Diretso pa, diretso. Haba pa na yun. Ayan, oh, JR, oh, kat. JR line, oh, kat.
Lawson. Lawson kung meron raincoat.
Raincoat.
Let's go, Dad!
Hawak.
Kasi baka ano.
Huwag mo to. Raincoat na.
No?
Wala eh. Ito. Wala. Umbrella lang.
But somebody guys steal this one. Sure.
Wala. Halika pa, balik tayo kay Mami, wala.
You see. Like if you leave your phone, then you can just come back and go on your steal.
Oo.
If you leave your umbrella,
Yeah.
everybody gonna steal.
Wala. Dito pa rin kami naghahanap ng daan papunta sa Airbnb. Ito naman. Ito sila. South exit. Ito. South exit. Bago. Ito ba yung sinasabi mo? Ay, hindi. Hindi, yung isa pang ano, hindi pa dito na yung may
Pero pinag-underground lang ba? Sabi niya, di ba mas malapit, mas
mas malapit sa ano. Aha. Oh. Ang lamig eh, no? Hindi, yung daan na maliit na sinasabi niya. Ang gusto kong malaman. Yung pa-lift. Baka dyan. Yan ba? Oh, paikot mo. Tingnan ko nga picture ulit. Wala, stick.
Totoo naman eh. Nakita mo naman, inayos ko muna yung anak mo eh. Kung makapagmadali ka, parang nagkapilang kami. Yes, ako.
Siya nga ang kompleto, oh. Doon tayo maglalakad, eh. Okay, lalakad kami papunta doon.
I'm the only one who actually has an umbrella. Alam mo kung saan ha?
Ah,
Dad, Mom, the wind is strong. It blew my hoodie off.
alam ko sana. Parang ito. Wait.
Where's our...
Kukonfirm ko lang para hindi tayo maligaw.
Mommy, my hoodie keeps falling. Can you help me? Fine, anak, kasi meron ka namang ano. Sure.
Diretso, tapos.
Yeah.
Hindi pa to, doon pa yata.
Yun nga.
Ito yung dinaanan natin ngayon. Number 5, number 6, ito. So, dire-diretso na tayo pag ano, doon. Ayun, yung gray na yun.
Let's go. I can hold that. My umbrella. My dad.
Ulan kasi. Pero buti drizzle lang. Drizzling.
Ayun ba yung green na yun?
Parang yung gray na yun. Kaya nga, park, kaya no. Parang dito eh, no? Tapos oo nga, pero gusto ko lang i-confirm yung nakita kong picture.
Hindi ba yun? Ayun o, yun doon. Doon pa. Ayun o.
Hindi, ito oh. Ayun oh, tapos ayun eh. Tama doon dito, diretso.
Asan yan dyan?
Ito. Ayun. Ayun yun. Ayun yun. Ayun oh. Oh.
Okay, sige, go. Dad! My papa's not holding the umbrella up. It's holding it down. That's my problem. Holding it down.
Saya dito sa Osaka.
Ayun na yan, tapat ng fire station. You have to cross. There's a fire station! It's actually...
Okay. So how do we cross? Ay wala daw ano, 'di ba? Sabi niya.
Sabi ba niya wala?
Parang.
Ayan, daan. Mommy, why am I still wearing my jacket? Sophie, you have to pay attention. There's no crossing.
Ano alalayan mo si Sophie, Mami? Ay, sandali. May sasakyan muna. Wait. Papasa, go. Dito. Parang may ano. Ayan, dyan. Ay, bumaliktad. Salubungin mo sa ano, sa hangin ulit. Balik mo sa hangin. Hanapin mo yung hangin, balik mo. Hindi.
It's a water catcher.
Huwag hindi ganyan, babalik mo lang sa ano. Close,
This is an example of strong wind.
close mo.
Yes.
Sunrise lang ba? Ito ba?
Hold on, what was that? It took my umbrella inside. It's down.
Ito yung buhat-buhat ko, oh. Buti na lang, ito yung fire station. Can you move inside? Kasi naaanohan pa ako dito. Ano to?
Mommy, the cover. Mommy, let's go. What's the card? What's the card? Mommy, the card.
Wait, anak ka.
Huwag ka makialam, anak, baka hindi tayo lalo makapasok. One, 7, 1, 2.
Hindi, press mo na yan.
1, 7, 1, 2.
Yan.
Yes!
7th floor, anak. 7th floor.
Floor. Where? We take the stairs?
Ito.
Ah.
Pati hindi. 0,
702.
hindi, yung isa pa. 02.
Ayan na.
Oh.
Umbrellas always smell disgusting. I hate the smell of used umbrella.
Ay!
This thing's savage.
Move a bit yung ano.
Savage.
Ba yan?
Ano pala ito?
Hindi mo naman kasing nawaan. Anak, huwag ka sumandal, anak. Mamaya na, iayos natin. Hindi mo pwedeng i-keep ng ganyan. You have to let it dry. Or else it will smell bad.
It already smells bad.
At least mabilis ang elevator dito.
Hopefully the
Mommy,
place
already
is nice
smells
and
bad.
clean so that we can at least...
It already smells bad. Disgusting. It looks pretty bad.
Out, anak, out.
That looks too bad. My bag's still wet.
Hindi, at sumasal bigla ito.
702.
Ayun ka daw, dito kabila. Uy!
Why? There's nobody inside anyways.
Ha? Patingin nga ulit. Hindi, hindi.
0243.
Si ano?
Ito. Oo nga, pero ano yung kailangan pindutin? Ah, sorry pala.
Anak.
This looks cute.
Ay,
Diyan lang yung sapatos natin sa labas.
yeah.
Anak, lalo ba din yung sapatos? Yeah.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
At least we actually have a dining table.
Remove,
I mean, okay, every time you start laughing, you're like,
remove shoes.
here.
Can you get this and then put it inside? Pull.
Yung umbrella mo dito, anak.
Umbrella this.
You hang it. Yeah, they
Hang it
provided
there.
umbrella for us actually.
Nice.
Baka mawala yan. Kasi
Yo-ho!
Yan lang sa bukad yung ano.
We actually have some weird eats. Ooh, wait, it actually looks looks pretty. We actually have a TV and a place to cook
Doorbell.
and a separate bed and an actual dining table.
yeah.
Now I brought
So this is the place.
this is the place.
Can you put it
Place
on
it.
the table?
What's this? Is this a
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, it's a rack.
Oh, the TV is big. Wow.
At least there's
Huh?
Dad, a rack for your stuff.
Huh? Ano yan?
Dad, I found
Door stopper yata yun eh.
Kaya nga nakakabit kanina eh, nakababa.
Maybe it's a door stopper. Maybe it's a door stopper. I think it's a door stopper.
Ano yung ano?
Nakakabit kanina.
Mamaya na lang. Oh.
Dad, there's a rack for your stuff.
Anak, this one is paper ha. So, please take care. Parang paper. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Ganda. Ay, saka elevated to anak mo. Oh my, tatami.
Tatami, yes.
Tatami.
Oh, Dad, here, there's a tissue. Nice.
And over here, oh, okay, your bed. Oh, baka babagsak.
Wait, it's not. It's but
Then
then
we can
Babagsak.
fit here the three of us so we could
there's another
sleep
bed
together.
outside though.
Yeah, this one. I just set it up. Actually, it's a sofa.
If there are pillows here, is it possible that this is a sitting area?
Hmm?
Dito na lang ako.
Hiwalay ka sa amin.
Bakit? Okay, we are here. Ito, ito. I have to turn on. Oh, ito. Okay. This is nicer definitely. This is the ref.
It's bigger, but they both fit cozy nice.
Ref, big. Microwave here. Then, long. Ang ganda ng ano niya, oh. Yung ano niya, kettle. Yung long. This is nice. We feel good. Wow. Complimentary water for us.
There's a thing called complimentary water? Sushi water.
Ah, what is this? Maybe this is where we should put our luggages. Or no?
No, the luggages are for us. But we have to like muna kasi basta.
Ah, mami, ito yung ano, washing machine and... Oh. There's washing machine. Anak, there's a bathtub, oh.
So what?
But it's a small one. Just too deep. Wow.
Still. They both have bathtubs.
Very nice. Ang ganda, oh.
Anything?
Ang ganda, ah.
Yeah. Ganda, diba?
Yeah.
Then
And what is
separate,
this?
at least separate toilet.
Separate toilet. Oh, nice. Para sa mga pupupo.
It's nice, no?
It's nice. Ang ganda naman dito.
It's cheaper than the one we had at home.
Oh, let me turn it.
Ba to? How to use washing machine?
Oh, wow.
The wash and dry. Okay.
Ito uli. Ito yung parang kalaan nito, yung ganito. Yung water. Conserved water.
Yeah. Ano yan, anak?
Wow. May mga toilet paper dito and then dito. Oh, may mga towels na dito, mami, oh, if you want to use. May dryer din. And then, may complimentary toothbrush, razor, oh, tama, hairbrush. Oh, Sophie, there's a hairbrush din, oh. And there's this mirror.
Yeah. Emergency contact number.
Sabi ko, mami. And then, there's this mirror. Oh, yes, hindi pala to mirror. Ito pala yung exit. Dugay.
We can hang our clothes here actually.
Wow, there's a balcony.
Please review the house rules to ensure some rules. Please keep noise to a minimum after 9 p.m.
Oh, ikaw, yan. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo yan. After... Of course, we are not smoking. Oh, what is this? Oh, anak shoot to para pagbaba mo diretso mo. How to use the emergency ladder.
So, fire.
Wow. Oh, this is nice. A nice view. Sana naman tumigil na yung ulan tomorrow. Ay, makalabas na kami. And that is an office. Ayun, may nagtatrabaho pa. Uwi na, umuulan na. Bagyo na.
30 na. Kala ko ba ang
30 na, hindi ka pa umuwi. Baka yan yung boss. Oh. Level up tayo sa ano. Ang galing ng pagpili ni mami sa
Daddy,
house, ah.
why
Sa Tokyo kasi,
This is nice. Oh,
they put how to open the door inside the house when we've already learned how to open the door?
maybe if you
we do have this.
wow.
They should have put this at the front door. We already entered. We know how to open the door. How to enter.
O, reviewin mo yan, ha, para alam natin.
The
Okay?
screen and enter the password. We said
Then we can eat na.
after entering password, press beep. How to exit? Push the
Oh. Hindi na.
Tabingi.
coming in. It is kind of tabi.
Hindi, wala ka na ako magagawa sa pagiging yan.
Yung floor yun?
Hindi naman.
What's this not?
Okay.
I'm not tabi early.
Ano ko lang.
Talagang tatlo lang ano, pack.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Sa pack. Para may option si Tati.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gusto to eh. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Gusto eh. Okay.
Ang bilis mo kasi.
1,
You're gonna like that.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Good. What's it? Ang sleeper.
Dito ko lalagay. While we are eating, let's take a video.
You're
We're going to eat. Yeah!
cringe, Dad. No smoking.
Magtitigas ka.
Ay, nasa na yung akin?
No smoking.
Dalawa lang.
Dad, no smoking. Dad, no smoking either.
O, hindi naman ako nag-smoke.
I know, I'm just telling you.
O, asan yung pagkain?
Putis kayo muna. Ay, di ba dapat yun yung... Talagyan yun ng...
Kasi nga basa pa. Ayun yung pagkain. Hindi ko open mo nga yan, Daddy. Yung kaya yata yan.
Yeah, looks like a humidifier. Must be.
Tingnan mo, may ganito pa. Complementary.
Opo. Saka ano...
Mabait mo si Haro, actually.
Mabait siya.
Kaya wala tayong... Ay, yung utensil nata, ano. Hindi, parang hindi provided din.
Nasaan pa?
They literally provided everything but utensils. Who? The owner?
We got hours or coaches. Don't worry.
Bro. We don't actually have your utensils. Don't have stuff.
Ano order mo?
Ibigay kita. Pwede ba?
I don't know, is there a microwave?
Oh,
Yeah, meron.
kasi may ano eh. Microwaveable naman siguro ka, no?
Oo, mapapagay ko
Ito mga to, malinis to. So, we, ano, kasi lumili for...
These are my utensils. These are
for
my
the time.
At sila na-provide na.
Hindi, kanya-kanya. Parang ano, parang donki, kanya-kanya. Pero ganito yung ginagawa nila.
Okay. This is mine. Tara.
This, and this is
Ang dami niyan.
mine. I got
Saan?
this, and this.
Rice and this
I'll
one.
have a little of
Sa'yo, mami.
We just share.
Ito,
This ano I
399.
bought for you.
399. Ito, 499. Ay, I checked. It's $476. It's cheap.
For some reason, Mom got the cheapest one.
Yung 399, mura din yan.
Kasi nga madami na tayo.
Galing.
Can we heat up muna? Let daddy, ano, ay, hindi ka microwaveable.
Hindi microwaveable na yan.
Hindi, plastic eh.
Yan din yung ginamit natin sa ano eh.
No, ito siguro. I-stand. I-ano mo, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo sa taas.
It looks microwavable, but it
Hindi
must.
ko alam eh. Kain ako Marilee. Brown butter, financier pala to. Ako pa tayo magpunso. Baked butter classic. Baked butter classic.
No smoking. But
Our dessert is the sweet potato.
that's all we're sharing that.
Oh yeah.
Mahal yan.
Yeah, I know.
Yan ang mahal. Yung sweet potato na yan. May banana ko yun.
Yung banana.
Hindi ko mabuksan. Am I too weak already?
Dad,
How did you open?
there's a slit. Dad, there's a slit. Dad, there's a slit.
Pagsilbihan
Dad,
ako.
look. There's a slit.
Okay.
There, from there. Jeez.
Daddy, I need your height.
She needs my height.
No, you can. I can use my TikTok.
Yung tara, kaya lang, hindi mo gusto ang kasubako.
You can use my adventure.
Asan, anak ko.
Wait,
Wait.
the one.
Not how many do we need to look up?
No, you just had. I have my
Sarap nito.
Can you get the and he's in the line.
Sarap ito. Sa kaya ano ito binili?
Okay,
Yes.
Look.
get the paper towel. Give me one.
Well,
Sarap.
you know I can't.
One more.
You said, oh,
Get the paper towel. I didn't say get one. Two.
Anak, this is nice. Very nice. You have to taste.
later.
Sarap. Sa inyo siya. Ay, YouTube ko na naman.
What's
Wala bang Netflix?
Japanese? Wait, Daddy, give me that.
Netflix na lang.
Oh, wait. Okay, so type and transfer.
Mukhang malinis naman si Halo. Mahal to, hindi naman.
No, it's cheaper than the,
Cheaper dun sa ano?
than Tokyo.
Ano ba? Ito ang ganda. Alam mo, ang ganda ng ano niyo. Okay. Wood ba to? Kasi may naka. Dumi na. Transfer mo pa?
Tinatanong kita kung
Huwag na.
Actually, ito mainit pa.
Makakainit ko nito. Wow!
And ito din. Ito ba? Ito lang siguro sige na nga, yung kanin na lang. We need the rice kasi ayoko nung malamig.
Mag-try na ako.
Init lang ko ng kanin.
Manay, bubugin ko lang to guys. Ooh, ito na. Tikman natin. 599 is 299 pesos. Tama ba? Hanggang. Parang 300 pesos. Ang sarap. Pork.
Saan?
Parang fried rice.
Daddy, ang galing ng amin niya, Belong. Oh.
Nga.
Magkano ba?
Oh, Japanese.
No.
They said audio language.
Saan? Okay?
That's Trump speaking Japanese. Trump speaking Japanese.
Nakakatawa yung YouTube niya. Puro Japanese. Oh, ayan oh, meron naman eh. Magkano ka?
Ayan na.
Ano bang gusto mong hanapin?
Mr. Beast English. No. Ooh.
Mainit ha.
No, weird, but it's nice at the same time.
Eh dapat, biyahe, tapos mamayang, sabi ko, pagka ganito, kumbaga pagka check-in namin, pahinga lang konti, punta kami dun sa Dotonburi.
Space.
Malapit lang dito, walking distance lang. Mga, yung pinili ko kasi yung medyo malapit, yung hindi na magbabiyahe halos dun sa mga ano. Actually sa Tokyo kasi, nahirapan ako dun sa Shinjuku, di ba? So kaya may nag-MRT pa kami to Shinjuku, isang stop. Pero dito, yung
I like this.
Okay, bibili kami sa supermarket dito sa Rohachi. Ang lakas ng ano, may bagyo na.
Baka naman makukup ng home title.
Isira mo naman yan eh. Super Maruhachi. Super Maruhachi. Okay. Hey, may grocery may supermarket sa tabi ng aming Airbnb. Laki. Buying bread. Ano tayo, bili tayo ng bread, mami, pang toast. Bili tayo ng bread mo. Mag-toast tayo. Puta. Oh. Mami, wala kasi akong pan-translate, so kailangan mag-translate. Hindi, pero hindi na, not now. Bili tayo ng Yakult. Anak, Yakult kaya natin ubusin. Ito,
You got it, me.
oh, ito, wala. Ito, mami, bili natin.
In Osaka.
Yakult. Kaya natin?
Hindi ako minom ng Yakult. Kayo. Araw-araw iinom kayo.
Oh, sige, ano pa. Wala kasang translation ng English, no?
Kasi ano.
Ito, oh, anak.
Dude, bang Osaka. You haven't tried
Danon.
it?
Saan ba itong danon? Mami, ano to? Ano tong danon na to?
Small one.
Parang masarap to. Ano ba to? Sarap to. Ano ba to?
Yogurt siguro yan.
Yogurt to?
Oh,
Hindi, parang mga fruits eh. Fresh fruits. Ano?
Bacteria power.
Ruby likes it.
Ha?
I won't eat it. Will you?
Ay, hindi ko nga
I don't really care. I just want to throw.
Ano yan?
Ito may kiwi oh.
Yogurt yan na ano.
I like this kasi may kiwi. I can eat
Why
it.
don't you buy the ano? Yun o, yung iba-ibang flavor. Ang hawak ko kanina.
Fine.
Ay, ano ba yan? Isang flavor lang na mix.
Oo, ito na lang gusto ko kiwi.
Get from the...
Ay, puro kiwi, no?
Don't get on the track.
Parang ganon, ganito oh.
Jumble up.
Sige, ito na lang maliit. Tatry ko lang.
Kapi, anong dinala mo? Binili mo?
Custard pudding?
Bakit may malaki tayo?
Na ano? Oo nga. Anak, yung Sophie, maliit. Yung, wag na yung malaki. Maliit na lang. Kasi,
Okay, one big.
Okay, sige.
Nasa doon.
Anak, saka na tayo mamimili ng pang ano.
I want one from this big.
Oo. Saka tayo mag...
You have
Oh, sige. Ay, kumuha ka na nun eh. Oh,
Eto. Ito. Oh. Ano yan? Saan mo nakuha?
cheese.
Ay, ito ibang... Ay, switch.
Dad, we should get something that we
Mommy?
don't have.
Ay,
We
yan.
don't have the mango.
Yeah,
We don't
okay.
have the melon.
Oh,
We
you
have
get it.
blueberry. I just want this.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think we have this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Strawberry.
This. Oh, what's this?
Tama na yan. Ang dami natin galat.
Yeah, this peach. Nobody likes peach.
Yeah. Tastes like ants.
It tastes salty for some reason.
Yeah. Okay. What else? Okay na yan.
This cheese.
What's this? Oh, huwag kang kumanya. Ito naman.
Oops.
Mami, paki-convert nga ito. Eh,
ito, kakainin niyo ba yan?
398.
Dami-dami kinuha.
398 dessert cheese. Magkano sa...
98?
Oo.
$3.18.
Parang ganun din. Fresh sa Singapore. Hindi, no? Mas mahal.
Kita ko yan.
Hi.
Teresa.
Parehas mo pala, anak. Eh, wag na- yung busy na lang natin
Yung
nakain.
flavor na wala
Wala.
doon.
Ito.
The thing actually.
Ito, do you really want this? Madagascar na nila.
Only one.
One lang.
Meron yung
Yummy.
She likes it eh.
There are two.
Meron, wala sa...
O ayun, kumuha na kami. Meron mango.
But the two things we didn't get yet is the lemon and the
Only eat.
not me.
Oh, wag na, wag na.
Dad, you want the
No, no, no. Ano yan? Ham?
This looks nice. I like this.
Ito oh. Frankster. Ay, Frank, ano?
Wieners! Dad, we have wieners!
Gani. Tignan mo oh.
Yan.
Ewan ko. Oh, yung chicken, no? Magkano? 500? Isang kilo? Isang kilo? Mura na, no?
500 is not...
Why are we in the meat aisle? We're only staying for 4 days.
Halika na. Upang.
$4.
Should we try?
Occasion. I don't know kung ganyan kalaki yung pan doon, anak.
Meron na tayong tea. So we don't need. Gusto ko lang i-check kung ano yung. Ganda na lang. Yung pinipicturean ko, ibinibideo ko, re-review natin. Huwag ka naman umarang para makita ko yung Starbucks. Ito, mga matcha. Mura ba? 698 matcha. 448. Mura kaya ito? 448. Sa bagay, pag galing natin ng Donki, may time pa tayo pumunta rito kung sakaling mas mura to.
May kilo ka pa.
Oo. Ito yung presyo anak eh, kasi I will buy later. Matcha. Kinapak nila ang mga pinamili namin.
We came here for soap. We got everything.
Ayan. Nakabos pa, may tape pa, no? Everything is organized. Saka ang yung pagsalansan nung cashier sa
No.
oh my
Look at
God.
this extra long dog.
Nakakahiya naman dun sa taga-SM na mga cashiers na tinatambak na lang sa bibig.
Ano, ano? Hindi, yung mga ano, mamaya ko yung lalagay sa iba. Why you spit on the tissue, not on the... Aling wet tangkad ka?
That maybe I'm actually. What is that? I don't know. What do you mean? You know where your oven is?
Why?
Inside the one. Baka nasa loob. Loob ng what?
Alam ko. I will wash it. Eh, kasi may nakasalang pa.